Yo, my good people, Wakisi County. They call me DJ White. And in this movie, I was playing the role of Nyabende, a good friend and a menace to our friend, the main actor, Soro. So I think I've had the best experience working on this movie, sababu na hii competition iko kwa game sahi. I think I feel more privileged kupata chance kuwork na the entire crew of NDIZI TV. Hii movie imenifunza vitu kadhaa. I've learned what the families go through, but then I think my best part ya hii movie ni Malio Soro alikuwa anataka kujinyonga, man. So unaweza imagine kajamaa kameenda kakanunua kamba kwa shop na bado kakaitisha change na bado kanaenda kujinyonga. Naelewa? So sijui mali alikuwa anapeleka hii change, but let's find out more about this movie this coming Saturday inside Mocha. It will be big. Make sure you attend, tafadhali. All we need to do is support our Gusi talent. We have a chance. We have the talent out there. It's all about you to come on board and support these guys. Tafadhali, njoo kwa wingi this coming Saturday ndani ya Mocha.